with the spread of the coronavirus. In addition to this, the Jack Ma Foundation has provided 2 batches of medical supplies, over 500,000 face masks, including N95 masks, and a number of ventilators. Moreover, provincial governments, chambers, and private corporations in China have donated vital medical equipment to our provinces and institutions. China has also helped and facilitated Pakistan in commercial procurement of medical supplies from different Chinese manufacturers. We are immensely grateful to the government and the people of China for extending both moral and material support to Pakistan in the wake of the outbreak of COVID-19. The compassion, generosity, and thoughtfulness shown by the Chinese government and the people will be long remembered by the people of Pakistan. Notwithstanding the outbreak of COVID-19, both countries are taking relevant measures which will help in timely completion of CPEC projects that will be a catalyst for growth and prosperity in the region. As you are aware, as part of the national effort to fight the coronavirus pandemic, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and our missions abroad continue to provide our overseas communities with relief and assistance wherever required. Food rations are being provided by all missions abroad to those in need, as well as financial assistance where required. Repatriation of our nationals back home also continues as per the comprehensive and phased plan developed in coordination with all stakeholders. In the past few days, as part of the 3rd phase of repatriation plan between the 20th and the 28th of April 2020, 251 stranded Pakistanis were brought back from Qatar, 70 from Singapore, 50 from 4 European states, including Poland, Norway, Sweden, and Denmark, 209 from Australia, 252 from Qatar, 49 from Sri Lanka, and 30 from Frankfurt. 3 flights from Dubai also brought back 524 of our nationals. In addition to this, in the last few days, 1,044 Pakistani nationals have been repatriated from Afghanistan via the Chaman border. So altogether, between the 21st of March and the 28th of April, 14,330 of our nationals have come back home safely from 32 countries. And finally, in order to strengthen our communication and exchange with all Pakistan missions abroad and our diaspora communities spread across the world through the digital medium, the Foreign Minister has held virtual town hall meetings with Pakistani community members in the United Kingdom and the United States. Through this virtual outreach, the Foreign Minister was able to brief the community members of the efforts being made by the government to control the spread of the pandemic in Pakistan, as well as the relief and repatriation services being provided to our overseas nationals in different parts of the world. The Foreign Minister, through these virtual town hall meetings, also gained first-hand information from our community members on the difficulties they faced in the UK and the US. He advised our heads of missions and officers to remain responsive and provide timely information and assistance to the community members. These virtual town hall meetings with Pakistani communities in different parts of the world will continue to take place regularly, where our overseas communities will have an opportunity to interact with the Foreign Minister in real time and exchange views on the services that our missions are providing and the efforts of the government to control the pandemic inside Pakistan. Thank you.
भारत मुतअद्दिद बार लाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल पर सीज फायर मुआहदे की मुसलसल खिलाफ वर्जी कर चुका है और रवां साल 919 बार सीज फायर मुआहदे की खिलाफ वर्जी की गई है। भारतीय नाज़िमुल उमूर को दफ्तर खारिजा तलब करके एहतजाज रिकॉर्ड कराया गया है। भारत अपने हिंदुत्व एजेंडे पर काम कर रहा है। भारत का अक़लियतों के साथ रवैया नामुनासिब है, जबकि भारत में कोरोना वायरस का जिम्मेदार भी मुसलमानों को ठहराया जा रहा है। कोरोना वायरस पर काम करने के हवाले से पाकिस्तान और चीन साथ हैं। चीन से तिब्बी आलात की फराहमी जारी है, जबकि मेडिकल टीमें भी पाकिस्तान पहुंची हैं। बैरून मुल्क से पाकिस्तानियों की वापसी के लिए भी इक़दामात किए जा रहे हैं और मुख्तलिफ